Hi, everyone. This video will show you how to fix your computer is low on memory on Windows 10 or 11 in 3 ways. Suggestion: backup important files with MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker. Click on Keep Trial to enter the main interface. Navigate to the backup page. Click on the Source section. Select Folders and Files. Tick the files you need to protect. Click on OK to return to the backup page. Go to Destination to select a storage path. Click on Backup Now. Hit OK in the confirmation window. Once done, quit this program. Fix 1. Terminate resource-hogging processes. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the context menu. In the Processes tab, find the memory hogging process. Right-click on it to choose End Task. Fix 2. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Locate a rarely used program. Right-click on it and select Disable. Fix 3. Manually increase virtual memory. Press Win and R to open the Run box. Input SYSDM.cpl and hit Enter to open System Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click on Settings. Go to the Advanced tab again and select Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Tick Custom Size. Input your initial size and maximum size for virtual memory. Hit Set and OK. Click on OK in the warning message. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.